up, guys? Charles here, and we are at Austin, Texas at the Grade 1 F1 track called Circuit of the Americas. And behind me, look at all these incredible cars. I mean, you guys have, if you guys don't know, we are at Edge Addicts also, that hosts this amazing event at Circuit of the Americas where you can basically just bring your car and go drive it on this F1 track. There's nowhere. Where can you go and do this? I mean, again, if you're a car enthusiast, you need to be here at COTA. This place is incredible. And I've been doing this now for almost a year and a half. So this is a special event to me. It's their Christmas event. You know, we give rides to kids, we donate toys, you know, we got a toy drive, and they decorate the track with Christmas lights. It's really fun and festive. And if you guys don't know, I love Christmas time. I'm out here under Edge Addicts. I am driver instructing. So don't like to call it coaching. We are driver instructors. So we're just helping out novice people in the blue group. Blue group is usually, you know, it's their first time ever experiencing a racetrack. You know, I give props to anybody that's willing to take their car on a racetrack and experience what it's like to be a race car driver, regardless of how fast or how good you do. If they didn't Lewis Hamilton, who cares? They probably walked away with an incredible experience. So today I am working double duty. I got blue and yellow. Yellow's gonna be intermediate. So intermediate means you've got some track experience. You might have a faster car. So we're just gonna take some B-roll. This is a fun video. There's no point of it. We just wanna show you what happens here at Edge Addicts, and we're just gonna enjoy the weekend. So behind me, Inaccio's 2018 Porsche GT3. We've been working on him since the morning, and I didn't know what tires the car had on it. It's got the Dunlop, what do we got? Dunlop Sport Race 2s. This thing is grippy. It feels like a Cup 2R, but damn, this tire is not the best in the rain. He was having all the issues. We were having over-rotating issues, you know. It wasn't fun in the rain, I'll tell you that. The second it dried up, you know, the car's got some heat down on the track, we got a line out there, he really started coming alive, and that's what it's about. You know, it was really cool to see him go from a near novice to almost a pro out there. I took him for a lap, and his confidence skyrocketed. He was able to match my line, and now we're working on the confidence of really committing to that brake pedal and coming out of the turns with full throttle. Big shout out to Trevor and Karen for letting me come out here and have some fun and, you know, and as well drive the events. Hey, I wanted to get back in a car. I'm here, already did a couple laps. I'm having a killer time. We got Zay behind the camera, Zay Tovin. We got Zay, little Zay, big Bockley, big Bookie behind the cookie. So, we just having fun. All right, I actually have the mic on. Look at this traffic jam. This is just another day at Edge Addicts. Look at this. Let's call them out. Let's see it. We got an E46 spec car. We'll start from the, let's do this. Let's go here. Oh, I can't even, oh my gosh. All right, so what makes a GT4 car a GT4 car? So basically GT4 is a homologated spec, just like GT3, Super Trofeo, LMP or whatever. So GT4 is more of a street car that's been converted to a race car, but in the recent years, it's got a little bit extreme and proprietary, you know, just like, you know, NASCAR, where NASCAR used to be NASCAR, now it feels like NASCAR is a GT3 car. So the biggest difference is gonna be, you know, we got slick tires, we got the Pirelli P0 slicks here, and in like a series of IMSA or SRO, it's all gonna be a spec tire. But either way, non-street legal tire, it's gonna be a slick. Another huge thing about this car is the interior. You know, full roll cage, obviously safety is a big thing. So full roll cage, full fire suppression system. You know, you can see this crazy carbon tub. Look at this looks wild. And then what I really like about this car, it's got the dashboard in it. So sometimes they take the dashboards out, it doesn't look factory, but this one does have the factory dashboard, and it's got that really cool Bosch MFD in there. Stepping to the back of the Artura here, we've got this massive chassis mount wing. Look at this. And this material reminds me of some of the Porsche materials. It's like a natural organic carbon fiber. It's really weird. You know, it's got like this really cool pattern in it. It's not glossy, but I think it's like for more weight savings and cost. Who knows, but it's not like a traditional carbon fiber wing. All right, so it's pretty tight in the garage here. But obviously, the best part of the car, the driver's seat, the cockpit. Yes, I've gotten to drive a couple GT4 cars. It's honestly awesome. The car has so much grip. It has braking power of, you know, near GT3 level braking power. But these are, you know, I don't want to say it's a momentum car because it is fast. So just like a regular race car, you know, they have taken out the glass. This is all Lexan right here. And of course, weight savings, right? This strut is insanely, like the lever on it. This has so much pressure. Was not expecting how much force it takes to close that. Getting down to eye level here inside the cockpit, let's take a look. Again, as I went over that, we got the big halo seat. This thing is solid, wow. And we've got the window net right here. Again, check out this really rad, you know, this really rad, damn, this thing is a full CNC piece of steering wheel. So that kind of just wraps up our short walk around the Artura GT4. And I would love to see Rafa rip down the straightaway in this thing, because if you don't know, it is V6, it is twin turbo, and I'm sure the hybrid system is completely stripped out of it because it would weigh an enormous amount of weight. So let's keep walking around and see what else we see unique. So this is pretty cool, guys. Coda and Edge Addicts puts this on once a year. We're big brothers and big sisters. You know, everybody volunteers, and you can get a ride in a car. So the kids can experience what it's like to be on the racetrack. It's nothing crazy. I did it last year. You know, we give the kids a fun time. We do launch control, all that fun stuff. But the attendance is pretty darn good today, and I've never seen this many cars, you know, at an Edge event. So good for them. Glad I could make it out here for Christmas.